December 1st, 2020, Fluency. Susan separated 648 pieces of candy into 9 bags. How many pieces were in each bag? All right, so if she's separating them, we're going to be dividing. So first off, we can put our little house over here. All right, so on the inside of our house, our dividend is going to be 648. So she has 648 pieces of candy. So 648. Boom, shakalaka. And then we're going to divide it by our divisor, which is 9. So into 9 bags. So how many times can 9 go into 60 or into 6? Well, it can't. What about how many times can 9 go into 64? Well, I know that 9 times 7 is 63, so we can do that. So we have 9 times 7, which is 63. Then we can subtract. All right, now we have 4 minus 3, which is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. We're going to now drop that 8. Now, how many times can 9 go into 18? Oh, I know that. It can go in 2 times. What is 9 times 2? It is indeed 18. Boop-a-choo. All right, then when we subtract, 18 minus 18 is 0. There's no remainders. There's nothing else to bring down. So our answer is 72. But 72 what? 72 pieces of candy in each bag. 72 pieces of candy in each bag. And there's our answer. Great job!